How to deactivate a Facebook account. Hello everyone, today we will go through the process of deactivating our Facebook account. Whether you are someone who wants a short break from this social network or you don't want to use it anymore, this is the place for you. First, we will open our Facebook application. When our Facebook application opens in the bottom menu, we will select the menu option located in the bottom right corner. In the window that opens, select the gear icon in the upper right corner. This will take us to the Settings and Privacy menu where we need to select the Meta Account Center option. In the new window, we will be offered a large number of options, from which we need personal details. The next menu will offer us 4 options, of which we need the last one. Account Ownership. In the further process, we will select the Deactivate or Deletion option. Next, we select the account we want to deactivate. In the pop-up window, we will be presented with 2 options, Deactivate or Delete Account. We will choose the first one and click Continue. Facebook will ask us to re-enter our password to confirm that we are the real owner of the account. When we have entered our password, click Continue. The application will then ask us the reason why we want to deactivate the account. You can select any of the options and click the Continue button at the very end of the list. In the next window, a text will open that tells us what deactivating the account entails. When we have read everything and are sure that we want to deactivate our account, we will click on the Deactivate button. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.